Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Practice Every Day, the podcast for the best way to learn English. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Jane. It's so good to be here with you all today. Kevin, how are you doing? I feel like we haven't properly chatted in a bit, you know?
I'm doing great, Jane. Thanks for asking. It was a good day, actually. I just finished a nice cup of coffee, and I was thinking about our topic today. It's perfect timing.
Oh, tell me about it. I also had my morning coffee, but mine was iced because it's a bit warm today. And I was just thinking about my friend I spoke to this morning. We were talking about what to have for dinner tonight. Simple stuff, but it made me smile.
That's lovely. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today, everyone. It's about real English conversation. Talk to a friend. We're going to help you feel more comfortable and confident when you're chatting with your friends in English.
Yes, because talking to a friend is different from, say, talking to your teacher or someone you don't know very well. It's more relaxed, more natural, and you want to sound like you, right?
Absolutely. So let's start with the very beginning. How do you even start a conversation with a friend in English? Jane, what are some common ways you say hello?
Okay, so the most common one, of course, is hi or hello. But with friends, I often say, hey. It's really casual and friendly.
Yeah, hey is great. It's short, easy to say. And then what do you usually ask after that?
Well, usually I ask, how are you or how are you doing? Sometimes, if it's someone I haven't seen in a while, I might say, what's up? It means what's new or how are things?
Those are excellent. What's up is super common among friends. Another one could be, how's it going? It's similar to, how are you doing? Very natural.
Right. And after they answer, maybe, I'm good, thanks, or I'm fine, what's next? You don't want the conversation to stop there, do you?
Exactly. This is where you can ask about their day or their week. For example, how was your day? Or how was your weekend? Simple questions that invite a longer answer.
Oh, I love asking, did you do anything fun? Or what did you get up to? That means what did you do over the weekend? It's a nice way to hear about their activities.
Perfect. And then listen carefully to their answer. If they say, oh, I went to the park, you can follow up with, oh, really? Which park? Or, did you have a good time?
That's key. Showing interest is super important. You want to show you're listening. You can say things like, that sounds nice, or wow, really? It makes the other person feel good.
Exactly. Let's try a small role play. I'll start. Hey, Jane, how's it going?
Hey, Kevin. I'm good, thanks. A little busy today, but good. How about you? What's new?
Not much, just getting ready for this podcast. But I had a really interesting conversation with my neighbor this morning about gardening. You know I love gardening.
Oh, really? That sounds interesting. What were you talking about?
See? That's a great example, everyone. Jane asked a follow-up question. She showed interest, and I could tell her more. It's all about keeping that ball rolling.
Right. And what if you want to share something about yourself? You can say, oh, that reminds me, or speaking of that, and then share your story. For instance, oh, that reminds me, I bought a new plant last week.
Those are fantastic phrases for connecting what your friend said to something you want to share. It makes the conversation flow naturally. You're not just changing the subject abruptly.
Exactly. So we've got greetings, asking about their day, showing interest. What about common topics? What do friends usually talk about?
Well, usually simple, everyday things, like what did you watch on TV recently? Or have you tried that new restaurant? Food and entertainment are always good topics.
Oh, definitely. And asking about plans. What are your plans for the weekend? Or are you doing anything fun next week? People love talking about their plans.
Yes, or hobbies. If you know your friend likes a certain hobby, like painting or hiking, you can ask, how's your painting going? Or, did you go hiking recently? It shows you remember what they like.
That's a really good point, Kevin. It makes the conversation personal. And what if there's a little silence? You know, sometimes conversations just stop for a second.
Ah, the dreaded silence. Don't worry, it happens even to native speakers. A simple way to restart is, so, anything new? Or what else is new? It's an open invitation for your friend to share something.
Or you can just change the topic gently. Hey, did you hear about? Or, by the way, I was wondering. It's fine to shift gears sometimes.
Absolutely. It's a conversation, not a job interview. So don't feel pressured. Just be yourself and try to be present.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Your friends are your friends. They understand you're learning English. The most important thing is to try and communicate.
That's a huge point, Jane. Don't let the fear of making a mistake stop you from speaking. Your friends will appreciate your effort, trust me.
So, we've talked about starting conversations and keeping them going. What about ending a conversation politely? You can't just walk away, right?
No, you can't just vanish. Common ways to end include, well, it was great talking to you, or I should get going now. If you want to meet again, you can say, let's do this again soon.
Yeah, or I have to run, which means I have to leave quickly, or I'll catch you later, or talk to you later. Those are really friendly and common with friends.
Excellent phrases. And always finish with bye or see ya. It's simple, but it's important to have a clear ending.
So, to recap everyone, when you're talking to a friend in English, start with a friendly greeting like hey or what's up. Then ask about their day or weekend. Show interest with oh really or that sounds nice.
And use phrases like that reminds me or speaking of that to share your own stories. Talk about everyday topics like movies, food, or plans. If there's a silence, so anything new can help. And end with it was great talking to you or talk to you later.
Don't forget to practice. The best way to get better is to speak. Even if it's just practicing these phrases out loud by yourself, it helps a lot. Or if you have an English-speaking friend, try these phrases with them.
That's right. And for our listeners today, we have a question for you. What is your favorite thing to talk about with your friends in English? Is it movies, travel, food? Let us know in the comments below.
We love hearing from you. And if you found this episode helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to English Practice Every Day for more lessons, and share this podcast with your friends who are also learning English.
Thank you so much for joining us today for the best way to improve your English. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, every conversation is a chance to learn.
Yes, absolutely. We'll catch you next time. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.